Chef Ricardo new book, From Poverty to Purpose. The book is available on Amazon. And whatever you guys do, yeah man, stay blessed. All right. That's the bowl right there. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to make the banana fritters. All right. If you never make it before, this is gonna be a brand new recipe for you today. All right. So sit back and just enjoy the flight. I know, say, yeah, I saw it go in our kitchen. 6 o'clock now in the UK. All right, guys. Yeah, man, at 6 o'clock. All right. Let me get this out there and done and dusted. All right, we're now gonna do it the other way how we normally do it. We're gonna do it a different kind of way today. So you need some banana like this. The riper the banana is the better for you. I don't know if you guys, we're now gonna make it the old school. We're gonna make it like our grandmother make it. All right, 2 fingers of ripe banana. Yeah, that's the way I'm gonna make it. Yeah, we're not gonna make it or our grandparents normally make it. Okay? Make sure we are gonna do it like 1956. All right? Or 1938. So basically 2 fingers of banana and then 1 tablespoon, let's put a little bit more, of Jamaican brown sugar. This is a healthy sugar. But if you have high sugar level, don't do this, guys. Okay. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm going to do. And this is going to work for a lot of people at home. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we're going to put the vanilla inside of it with that. So it's going to be a good one. All right. Any you do this at home, you're going to love Chef Ricardo for the rest of your life. Because this recipe is not a normal recipe. This recipe is very unique. So what you're going to do is crush the banana like this with the sugar. We're not using too much sugar in it, guys, because banana is sweet. All right. So all of the people them who don't have any blender can normally I will just simple blend it out into the, what do you call it? I would normally blend it out in the blender, but we're not gonna do that today. So you want to make sure you mash out the banana, guys. So this is how your grandmother would make it at home. Come on, people. Do you remember this? If you remember this, please give me a like. If any one of you guys know this. Mash the banana. All right. Mash the banana. Like what you see Chef Ricardo do. Just want to make sure all the banana is mashed out. Yeah, man. Some people put a whole heap of stuff in it, you know, guys. But you just want to make sure. Guys, coming up to Jamaican Independent Day, so you know what's going on. Everybody have to try and create something at home. So I'm taking it right back to 1956, and the time I was a little baby. Alright, 1956 or 1938. I was very young. 1938. Yeah man, I was very young, I was a baby. We're going right back there. Perfect. That's looking good. I feel good, good, good. All right, if you know that one, then leave your comments. All right, leave your comments and let me know. What do you think? I got another recipe, like they call it puff puff. I'm gonna take it to Africa with the banana fritters the next time. So, right? All right. Some people would put a little bit of water in it. All right. And all these things. Let's get the medical box out. That's the medical box, guys. If you don't know what is a medical box, please get in touch with Chef Ricardo. All right. We're going to put a pinch of sea salt. Not much. Just a little pinch of sea salt inside of it, just to bring in a little bit of flavor. So the medical box, we got Jamaican mixed spice, just a little pinch. All right. We got cinnamon, just put a little pinch of cinnamon. That's the medical box. Grounded cinnamon, grounded that mixed spice. Grounded, this is what? Grounded. Where it is? I need to find it. Mixed spice, that one. I think I got it somewhere right here. Let me see if I can find it. God, that's the main ingredients. Alright, I think Nicole put Nicole tell me to put thing there inside of it. What do you call it? Curry powder. We're not gonna put curry powder in this one, guys. Yeah, when Nicole make it, she used curry powder. But we not gonna be using curry powder. Look like someone. We got the mixed spice. Alright. We got, how comes I have so much mixed spice? Grounded allspice. I never used this one before. This one is good, you know. Grounded allspice. Yeah, this one is good. This one is a good one, man. Let's put a little bit of grounded allspice in it, guys. Not too much, guys. Very strong. All right. Yeah, man. Can't push it. All right. All right. You know what happened now? Yeah, man. I think that one is finished. All right. I don't got no more of that one. Some of the medical is finished in the box. So I think I need to go and stock up on some of my medical. Anyway. Nicole, we cannot use cinnamon powder in it. What do you call it? Curry powder. I know you use curry powder. We're not gonna use any curry powder. Alright, we got grounded cinnamon, grounded cumin, mixed spice, cumin seeds. Oh no. Yeah. So I need to go and get myself some nutty egg. So if you have nutty egg, use it, guys. We don't have that one here. Let's give that a mix. Lovely. Now, we got some Jamaican plain flour, and this one is organic. All right, let's put that inside of it. Give that a mix. And then we're gonna see where we are. Yeah. All right. Nicole, when she making it, she put what do you call it? She used curry powder, but we're not gonna use that one. All right, look at that. Nice one. But what I can do, just tip a little bit of water in it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Don't afraid, you can just tip a little bit of water. Or you can put the water before, but sometimes it's too, and you don't want it to be, you know, you just want it to be moisture. Craig, this is supposed to be the way it look. Cause you're gonna have to make something for Jamaica independently, you know. Craig is a big chef. So you just beat it. So all of the person who don't have electric and whisk, don't worry yourself. Just use a fork. Fork is good. And just beat it. So you want it to be looking like this. Alright, you don't want it to be runny like river, like Dunn's River Fall. You want it to look like this. See? Look at that. This is what you want it to look like. Perfect. All right, guys. Nicole, we're not gonna use any curry powder in this one today. You know what I mean? It's a new recipe for you, that one, but we're not gonna do that today. All right, we're just gonna keep it simple. All right. That was a long one. You can put whatever you like to put in it to bring the flavor. All right. So as you guys can see, that's the way it look. Don't add any brown in it or put any apple cider vinegar. I know I like apple cider vinegar, but don't do that one, guys. Red flag. All right. Get yourself a copy of the book in the meantime. And yeah, it's a good vibes. All right. So things looking good. All right. Get yourself a copy of Chef Ricardo new book. All of the people who don't like to read, this is for you to read. Okay? Turn it on. And then, yeah, good vibes. All right, let's put this one side and let's get our frying pan right over here. So if you don't like to read, this is for you, man. All right. You need to get yourself a copy of the book. Chef Art, big up yourself. Thank you so much for sharing the support. All right. Now, you can use olive oil or you can use avocado oil, which I'm going to be using. You know what I mean? Avocado oil is good, guys. So we're going to put roughly about 2 teaspoons of avocado oil inside of it. 2 teaspoons of avocado oil. Don't use too much oil. All right. That excellent. Yes, beautiful people. Today is Tuesday. It is a beautiful day today. God is good, and I'm so glad that we are here another day, that we can even make another video. We can do some talking. And anyone have any plan for tomorrow, or anyone have any plan for this evening? Let me know what's going on. Chef Ricardo is in the building, up and running. All right? Yeah. Avocado oil, really good. Yeah, man. So, yeah, avocado oil is the best. Grab yourself avocado oil when you go to the supermarket. And yeah. So, what's the plan you guys have for the rest of the evening? You know what I mean? You don't have to share your secret. You can keep it. You may want to cook some chicken this evening. Or you may want to chill out this evening and watch your Chef Ricardo on the TV and making a healthy juice. Or you just want to just, you know what I mean, go to work. Alright, surgery. Okay. Security game. Oh, they're leaving. Washington, D.C. Alright, E. Rose. Big up yourself every time this evening in the kitchen. Alright? So E. Rose, support Chef Ricardo right straight through the year. Never let me down. We got Craig. We got Earsism. We got Nicole. We got Jen. We got so many people. Just support the YouTube channel. I know say sometimes I just say go off a bit of vibes. Yeah, man. We have a bit of vibes in the evening. Yeah. So things looking good and good every day. All right, guys. All right. Let's put the book in the oil now. All right. Let's get yourself a copy, guys. From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. Before we start to fry, get yourself a copy of it. Yeah. That's how it goes in the evening. And the evening is just a beautiful evening to everyone. I just made that amazing juice. Pineapple, cucumber, lemon, ginger, garlic, and some chili. Mad. That is what I'm talking about. Yeah, that is good, guys. All right, let's lift this into the oil. Ah, Chef Ricardo. It's getting there. Now, the reason why I'm doing this kind of recipe, it is Black History Month next month. For everybody in the world, no matter where you're from, even underneath the earth, or even in space. You know what I mean? Even which part Elon Musk has sent his things about there. A Black History Month the next month coming up. Alright? So, you know, everything go already. We have to do what we have to do. We are planning for goat. We're going to do some jerk chicken. I don't know if anyone want to come with me. Alright? Chef and Amazon side hardcover. What? Whoa. You need to check good again. Well, I will say the hardcover. A lot of people like the hardcover. We're going to space go cook jerk chicken. I don't know if anyone want to come with me. Because that's where we are going next time, go cook. You know, we are going to make jerk chicken and rice and peas. And fry plantain. Let's put this in, guys. Look at this, Chef Ricardo. You know what I mean? Jamaican banana fry fritters. Then guy up there at work, they need this to keep them going. Yeah, they need this to keep them going up there, no? Yeah. I don't know if any one of you guys want to come with me. We're going to space go cook. Nice. So as you can see, the way I'm doing it, that is so perfect and nice. We're not gonna make too much, you know, because although you can make them and put them in your freezer for rainy day. Yeah. How that look, guys? Let me know. Oh yeah, that looking good, guys. Don't use too much oil here. I'm just using about 3 tablespoons. Yeah, as you can see, that's looking amazing. Yeah, banana fritters. We're going to space to make this. Oh yes, those looking good. All right, you know it go already. Next month is Black History Month, so you know a whole lot of cooking are going on. In India, they got a lot of things coming up. They got Black History Day coming up, Independent Day. And then a lot of things are gonna happen. Alright. So get on yourself ready for Jamaica Independent Day next month. Yes, Nicole, I didn't put any curry powder in this one. Next time, I'm going to try the curry powder one. Alright. Oh, you got the paperback one. Congratulations, you just win one of Chef Ricardo Festival. What do you call this one? Banana fritters. Perfect. Thank you so much, Heroes. You know, you have to support Chef Ricardo, you know, because, you know what I mean, a long time, you have to support me. You have to just continue. There's no way to turn back. you can't turn back, you just have to just continue. It doesn't make sense it doesn't make sense to turn back, Heroes. You just have to just continue with the support. Alright? Yeah, good vibes. Alright? Yeah, man, big up my YouTube channel members there, man. They support Chef Ricardo very long time. Nicola support me long time. We got Craig, we got Jen, we got a lot of you guys who are just supporting. Yeah, man. These are perfect, guys. Yeah. Jamaican. This is from 1962, guys. Then the time that I was a little baby. I know it. I know. I know, smell amazing. Wow. If you go to Jamaica, guys, you don't have to make these things, you know. Alright? You can't go to Jamaica and eat them or something. No way, man. You have to. Yes. That looking really good. Alright. Look at that, man. Real authentic Jamaican festival in the building. That looks amazing. Definitely, this looks amazing in the kitchen right now. All right, guys, it doesn't matter now. Do you know you can eat anything in this world, but you don't know what? You just have to know how to get rid of it back out of your system. That's the thing. Yeah, you have to know how to, you know what I mean, clean up your system back and fresh up your system and make your system feel nice. Yeah. You know what I mean? You have to know how to look after the immune system when you eat certain kind of food. Alright? So good vibes. Get yourself a copy of the book, guys. Here it is. Get yourself a copy and support Chef Ricardo. As I said before, it's only two things. Either you pray for me or you purchase a copy of the book. I don't need no views. I don't need no likes. I don't need no comments. No, you can leave your comments if you like to. You know what I mean? Because you have to speak your mind. Some people say, Chef Ricardo, you talk too much. I don't even care. You know what that? Oh, this guy, he talks so much. And I just laugh. Because I'm saying, you know what I mean? You can't run a show without you talk. You have to talk. Yeah. And, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't care. Because at the end of the day, I love my people and who support me. You're going to have to find one and two burn planting, but that's not really at the end of the world. Chef Art, big up yourself. Thank you so much for coming on the show. You know what I mean? We're going to have to find two of them burn. You know, we have to still love you, same way, no matter what happens. Alright? Still going to love you same way. Still respect you. Nothing to worry about. Because we still are here. Yeah, good vibes. Nice one. That looking good. Jamaican banana fritters. Next month, Independent Day. Coming up soon, guys. Oh yes, it's very hot. Very hot. looking good. That is amazing. Yeah, this is nice. All right. Yes, Nicole, that's true. Yeah, because they're jealous with me and my audience, them, innit? That's why they make them a kind of statement there. You know what I mean? I got my beautiful audience who support Chef Ricardo, and when I'm talking, they jealous me. For what? Can somebody tell me, please? You know what I mean? I love my people them who support me every day, and sometimes I have to build videos and talk with my audience. You know what I mean? So we don't know what now, Craig. I put some of them in the freezer and I freeze them when we cool them down. And then if I want to eat, I eat. You know what I mean? Yeah, you can make them and put them in the freezer. You know what I mean? Because you see, winter is coming, you know. You have to prepare for winter. Thank you so much, Eros. No, Eros, tell me now. Some people come on my YouTube channel and they will write a comment. Oh, you're talking too much, you're taking long to start this. Because them jealous me for nothing. Because of my love I have for my people. That's all. You know what I mean? They jealous me and there's nothing, you know what I mean? Because I have to reason with my audience. I have to build a communication with my audience. Turn off the cooker. You know what I mean? I make my audience them happy. For nothing. Yeah. So that's what happened when you have a close relationship with your audience and your audience loves you and you spend a lot of time and do what you are doing. Some people just come and jealous you for nothing. And it's sad. Yes, I'll tell you who do it. Yeah, them same one, innit? You know what I'm talking about. They just come and just act as if like they are with you, but they're not with you. They're not with you, you know, they just come and talk. Alright. But I love my audience and I spend a lot of time with them every day. Let's move this thing. Somebody can buy a book in the meantime. Alright? Yeah, buy yourself a copy of the book. Alright? Good vibes. Yeah, man. Now, this is how it go. Right here. With the Jamaican fritters right here, guys. That looking delicious. Alright? Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Good vibes. All right. So what you can see is just, you know what I mean. Yeah, man. I think I put too much on it. Little bit of ice and sugar, and then you can also wait this. Now, ice and sugar will just normally go away. Little bit of your favorite. You know what I mean. That's it, guys. And serve that beautiful, simple, and delicious. But a lot of people don't know what you can also do. Alright. These are some tips and ideas what you can also do with these kind of stuff, guys. You can serve it with our lemon. Lemon is very good with certain kind of stuff like these. And it's just excellent. All right. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Thank you so much for this evening. And as I said, yeah, I saw it go. You know what I mean? We have to do what we have to do.